Hey y'all, I look a little bit crusty, musty. I'm joking, I don't look crusty, musty. I don't know. My room's like really, really messy. Someone needs to help me clean this. I'm gonna need to hire someone literally. Like, if you don't talk about, we're not gonna show the whole thing because it's literally so bad. How do I set up my phone? So today we have a backpack right here, and today we're doing what's inside my backpack. You know, so why not? It's like school's basically almost over. I'm supposed to be at school today, but I didn't want to go, and plus I might go shopping. So what am I do home when I get home? I don't know. Okay, so first, this is not the first zipper, but oh well. So first we have my English notebook. Okay. And here with bell ringers. Sorry, I had a conversation with Faith in here. Where did it go? Let me find it, y'all. I wrote Faith's siblings are animals. She has like 5 different siblings or something. I don't even know. I'm gonna go. The fan is on my room, so like, yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm not gonna go like searching for it. So this is I had a conversation with someone in here. So yeah, fun times. Okay, next we have my math notebook. It looks like pretty boring. I literally didn't even write like half of the things in here. Like, how many pages did I take out? I only took up like 42 pages or something. Like, I took up this much pages, y'all. Out of like the whole, I don't know. I'm not good at math, so don't ask me. Then we have my science notebook. I hate science, y'all. And literally, look. It's like bent. It's annoying. I don't have anything like embarrassing in here. Look how bad. This is a frog, y'all. Does that look like a frog? Probably not. Oh well. Then we have also the stuff from science. Some also science stuff. Oh, I just realized this is a broken ruler. I kind of stole it from one of my teachers. And look, it's broken. Don't talk about that. Miss Davis would be getting mad at me. Okay. Let's do it. That was a mash. Whose mash is this? Malachi's. I did mash not that long ago. This is my big binder. I use this kind of like a lot, but not a lot. Like, I didn't bring it out a lot. I need to throw a lot of these papers away. I'm probably gonna do that for every single one of them. This is from music, y'all. I'm great at notes, even though I play clarinet. Oh. I play clarinet and I can't read notes. That's great. I'm not like looking for things to expose myself with. Again, this is key terms, y'all, and I got a 50 out of 50 because I'm smart. Yeah, there's like a thing in here to expose myself with. Some math. Some more geography. Mr. Hall gives us too much. Sorry, Mr. Hall. It's true though. I'm gonna move my iPad. Yes, I'm an iPad kid, y'all. I'm throwing it on the ground. Anyways. Oh, there's a crown. Oh yeah, Bryson put a crown in my. There's just a random crown, y'all. It's gonna roll off of him. Okay, and we have some trash in here. We're not gonna go through that because it's just trash. Wait, what is this? Oh, that's just a pencil. I'm gonna throw a lot of this stuff away. But next pocket, I'm just gonna go through this pocket. Oh gosh, y'all, I don't know that much in here. Cause I put a lot of stuff in here in the beginning here. And like, I don't even know where half the stuff is. This is my musical essentials thing for band. Nothing really much in here. This was from like, oh, what is this? I put this in here, like, I don't know why. Because I just wanted to. Here's a iPhone charger. Because like, even though I'm not supposed to be having my phone out at school, I bring it because like, even though like my phone's at like 80-something%, I just charge it because I just want to. And just like that. This is from like the band concert. My name's in here. Eleanor Brady. Okay. I have a lot of pads in here, y'all, so like, don't ask. Girl stuff. Like, I have a ton in here. Like, seriously. And they keep going. Tissues. What is this? Some crap. Tissue. I don't want to see that. Oh. There are some reeds for my clarinet. And the box is like broken. Another pad. Oh, one of my ex-friends and I went shopping. It was like Christmas time, I think. And I got this. Smells good. It's from Target. It's old, kind of. Here's what it is. Yeah, I did a haul on it, I think. It was like a mini Target haul. A hairbrush. This girl, Maggie, she always asks for my hairbrush. Well, sometimes I say yes, sometimes I say no, because either I don't want to go look for it, or I just like, I don't know. Okay, then this is another like period kit. A calculator that I literally never used. Cause like, it's like, they're not, to me it's like, I can't even see this. Like, I vanished. It's like 9 times 9 equals, it's 81, I don't know. I'll do the math, because I can't. Some more tissues. Oh, some hand sanitizer. I need some hand sanitizer right now. Okay. Alright. What is this? Oh, pass. It's a pass. This is some pencils that I never actually used. but my mom put it in there because I just didn't feel like using these. Another pad. Ew, a zip-up bag. Ugh. Some old and some Welch's pack. Oh. What is this? Some stickers to vote someone for the SGA. What was longer? A mask. Ew. I'm throwing that one away. Oh, right. Lane, if you're watching this, I never used this. No goods. She told me to keep it, and I already had one. I don't know where it is, but I had one. But I'm gonna keep it anyways because why would someone want like something this like this looks clean but it's dirty in my view. It's like a face roller. Did it break? Oh, did I swear if it broke, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, thank the Lord it didn't break. But it feels good though. It's a face roller. Thanks, Lane, though. It was like a Christmas gift, I think. Some reeds. Some probably instructions, I don't know. The other half of the broken thing. Good to know. I have pencils in here? And I did not even know that, to be honest. Chapstick that I'm throwing that away. I'm not keeping that. What the fuck is this? Yeah, I'm gonna go whack all the kids in my school. I'm an old granny, y'all. Okay, I don't know. Some more reeds. Y'all, look how big the pile is. Bruh, my phone. Okay, what the frick? Bruh. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna set my phone up there because I don't know what's in here. Some more trash. Oh, another ruler. I should probably return that. This is another Miss Davis's ruler. Ow. I just killed myself with this ruler. Anyway. Some more trash. Pencil. But I'm probably throwing that away. I'm throwing all of this stuff away, y'all. If my friends are watching this, I'm sorry you have to watch this. Okay, so we have 2 pins that I feel like stole like not that long ago. This one I was doing Marshmallow Madness. If y'all know what that is. I have some earbuds that sometimes I'm just always looking for my earbuds, and then I just like use, I don't know what I use. Oh yeah, my friend wrote down her number. So I'm not showing it. But I probably already saw that. But I never like put it down because I'm a great friend. So yeah. I'm gonna get new earbuds next year because I just want new earbuds next year. Makes sense, makes sense. Okay. Some braces stuff because you know I have braces. A 3rd pin because why not? Some more pixie sticks. And some liquid mascara. Let's see. You put this on. This is not that old though. I would use this. I would like put it on in the car, like going to school. because I'm just bored, and also I just wanted to wear it. Yeah. I thought I had this face roller though. Do y'all hear this? This is what it looks like. Go buy you one. Okay. Some more earbuds. One of them like don't work, and I'm throwing this away, but when the things don't work, it's annoying. Ew. A Jolly. What's built in here? Hold up. Y'all. I don't know if I can show y'all. But I don't know if y'all saw that, but it's like blue and it's disgusting. I don't know what that is. With a pencil. It's just like goes down and it's annoying. So I'm throwing it away. Another pencil that I liked. Something I'm throwing away. A chapstick that I need to use more. I'm eating this right now. This might be like 20 days old. Still edible. Some stickiness that I never used, and look how dirty this is. But I don't come back the next day, and I'm dead. Ew. Look. I have 2 coins in there. Ugh. I'm throwing those away too. They're disgusting. Alright, now I have a scrunchie. I got this in 6th grade. A deodorant that I makes me sweat now, so throwing that away. Some folks just don't want that. My friend gave me this. It says, "For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. They are plans for good and not for disaster, to give the future and hope." Jeremiah 29:11. I'm keeping that because it's cute. A Patriot sticker. I'm keeping that because it's funny that I still have that. Ugh. I'm throwing that away. A glue stick. And I'm also throwing that away. Some hand sanitizer. Ew. I'm throwing all these things away. Except for this. The pencil. I'm throwing that away. I need to go find a trash bag. Alright, this is basically just it. There's chapstick too. Which isn't that dirty, so I'm keeping that. And now I'm gonna go throw all this stuff away. So, this is basically what I just emptied it all out. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this disgusting video. I didn't. And and subscribe. Oh, thanks for all the views on that one short video with me and one of my best friends that's moving. And like and subscribe, and bye. I don't know why I just do that.